bought this car, that is like already almost 3 years ago, there are a few things that still need to be fixed. One of it is like the grille. It is super gray and it is ugly, man. I need to fix that. And the other thing is the isolation material on the hood. Like, it is just hanging there and it looks super ugly. So the plan for today is to fix those things like the grille and the isolation material, and then it should look a little bit better again. I don't know if you guys could see it, but at least I see the difference. It looks way better. Like, the grille looks way cleaner, and it also, yeah, it kind of feels like new. And of course the isolation is off, and that makes this thing shiny again, or at least, yeah. It's like a little mirror, but a painted mirror. I can see the whole like engine bay from here. It looks amazing. I really miss doing mods and like just work on my car. I haven't done that for so long. Why, I can't really tell you, to be honest, but yeah, I want to do some more mods to different cars, maybe this car. Like, I don't know, I have to find something in my life to yeah, work on cars a little bit more than I do now. But yeah, now that the sound isolation is off, I actually want to test out if I notice anything different in sound, because other people told me that I'm actually gonna hear something different, or the engine bay is gonna be a little bit louder inside the car while driving. So yeah, kind of want to test it out, to be honest. It's cold outside, but it's beautiful. It's actually -1 degree Celsius, but yeah, it's beautiful, like I said. But the results about the isolation removal, it's actually worth it, to be honest. It looks way cleaner in the engine bay, and it also gives more sound, like people told me. Yeah, I don't know if it's noticeable on camera or not, but it definitely makes some nice air sounds, or even some more air sounds. I know I still need to get a blow-off valve, because it kind of sounds weird and annoying as well. But for, yeah, the blow-off sounds, if you have it on the lower RPMs, it actually sounds quite nice, and it's actually worth it. I do hear some more ticking sounds from the engine. It's not like metal on metal, but it's like that, yeah, Volkswagen, that iconic Volkswagen engine ticking sound. It's like almost every Golf has that, or any car with that 2-liter engine has that. Yeah, that's the only downside about it, but for the rest, it's definitely worth it, man. don't know if you guys noticed, but I still can't go full send with my car. That's because the clutch is still f***ed. Well, I am gonna let it fix, but in the next video I'll probably tell you why I haven't done it yet, or what the actual problem is, why I haven't done it yet. Also, I try to do something different with the video style. I don't know if you guys noticed. It's probably gonna change more and more in the future in a good way, but I just trying to do something different than every other YouTuber does or any other content creator does, because I feel like I did the same as everybody else, but I want to do something different than other people do, like create my own style with it. And I've been really busy for the last week with camera settings, color grading, all that, editing styles, like to create a better video than it was before. But it's probably gonna change in the future even more than it is right now, because normally I try to upload a video every week, but I didn't do it last week, and yeah, I was just too busy with all sort of things. I can't promise you guys that it won't happen again. It probably will happen again, because yeah, my life is about to change, and I'm gonna get it really busy with my life besides YouTube. So yeah, I can't promise you guys that, but I just wanted to tell you guys that. But next video I'll probably tell you guys more about the GTI and why she isn't fixed yet, because yeah, I want to do some crazy car content with it again. But for now, I'm gone.
They see me shining on the screen, I'm on that bro Mac. Boy, a daily driver, yeah, that shit's gone fully matte black. Ain't about that classic chrome, I got that fully gold black. Shout out to his daddy, think he fresh, but yeah, that shit's whack.
But for now, I'm gone.